Today I'm joined by Sam Cobb, who's the CEO of Adalta. Adalta's been around for about 10 years, but listed about 18 months ago. Sam, I wonder if you could start by telling us a little bit about the Adalta story.
Yeah, sure, Scott. So, like you said, we listed 18 months ago. We raised 10 million at our IPO to take our lead iBody candidate AD114 into the clinic. So Adalta's developing a novel next-generation antibody platform called the iBody, and our lead candidate is an iBody for the treatment of fibrosis. So fibrosis is essentially scarring. So if you cut yourself, you get inflammation, like the red area, and you get a build-up of collagen. Our lead candidate, AD114, can treat this scarring or fibrosis in a number of organs. And our focus is really to take that lead candidate into the clinic and complete a phase 1 study next year.
Okay, so what have you achieved this year in terms of ticking milestones off?
Yeah, so we've had a great year, achieved a lot. We have shown that AD114 has application or broad fibrotic application. So we've shown that it has antifibrotic activity in the lung, the kidney, skin tissue, where else? The liver. And showing that broad application just strengthens that preclinical package that we have. What we've also done is shown that the iBody AD114 is safe. So we've completed a number of non-human primate studies, and this is really the next step for us, or the step before going into the clinic. In addition to that, we've completed the manufacturing or developed a process to manufacture AD114. So we've really had a big year in terms of ticking all those boxes that we need to do to get into the clinic. And our focus is, once we've done that phase 1, is to really do a deal with the lead candidate AD114.
Okay, so looking ahead for the next 12 months,
Yep.
You've spoken about getting into the clinic. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, sure. So we've got one more tox study to do, which will be the first half of next year. That's a 4-week non-human primate tox study to assess the safety over a long period of time. And then in the second half of next year, we'll be completing our phase 1 safety study, which will be in healthy volunteers. And with that data and the preclinical package that we've built over the last 12 months, we'd be looking to partner AD114.
Okay, so looking to partner, what exactly does that mean, and who are the companies that are operating in the fibrosis area?
Yeah, sure. The majority of companies are either big pharma, big biotech companies, and in this space we've seen significant activity in terms of partnering, and a lot of those deals have happened quite early compared to traditional deals in other therapeutic areas. So an average fibrotic deal or antifibrotic deal is approximately 100 million up front and 400 to 500 million in milestone payments. And there's significant activity from pharma and biotech company acquiring products that are at that phase 1 stage. And the main reason for that is because of the high unmet medical need and the limited efficacy of the products that are currently available. So there are 2 drugs currently for the treatment of idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, so fibrosis of the lung, and those drugs have their limitations. We've shown that AD114 is superior to those 2 drugs in a number of in vitro assays.
Okay, I know you've got a couple of interesting people on your board, but one in particular is Dr. Robert Peach.
Yep.
I'm just wondering if you could tell us a little bit about his story and why he joined the team.
Yeah, sure. So he joined probably because I hassled him a lot, and he was the CSO or founder of a company called Receptos. Receptos was acquired in 2015 by Celgene for about 8.3 billion. It had one product to a target called a G protein coupled receptor, or GPCR, and that was in phase 3, so for the treatment of multiple sclerosis. So he'd taken that product from research all the way through to phase 3 and then sold the company with that and a GPCR platform technology. So comes with to Adalta's board with a significant amount of drug development experience, but also partnering and raising capital in the US.
Okay, well, that sounds very interesting. So a lot happening for your company, Adalta.
Yep.
The code is 1AD.
Yep.
And Sam has been with the business for a number of years now. A lot of activity and a lot of things investors can look forward to in 2018. So I've been joined by Sam Cobb, who's the CEO from Adalta.